Hello, welcome back to Nerf Nerd Productions. Sorry, it's been a while since I've posted anything. I'm in Florida and we've been getting rained out for like ever. But skies are relatively clear today, so I figured I'd do a real quick review and then get some modding done. Today, I'm going to be reviewing two things: headshot ammo for the rivals, and also the rival Chaos. This is the Nerf Rival Chaos. Chaos is a 5-shot pistol, has a 5-shot internal mag. It's got a slide prime, slide this back. Once you slide, come back all the way. Open up the jam door here. And it reveals your loading hopper for the internal mag. So first we'll start off with stock rival ammo. 2, 3, 4, 5. As much as you can get in there. Unless you do the 6-round mod, which if you do that, there's a lot of people that have been having problems with that, with it not wanting to push the last ball up. So I wouldn't recommend it. Once you load it up, close the jam door. Go ahead and slide forward. There's a safety right here. And you can fire. You're going to do the firing range test a little different than normal because rival rounds are balls and they will roll away. I don't want to give a false reading. So I'm going to start off shooting a distance I am comfortable with it hitting, namely that wall, 40 feet from it, and I'll start backing up until we miss. Here we go. Okay, it looks like we're going to get 55 max. And that's it for that. So now we're going to try out the headshot ammo. Picked up this headshot ammo from Out of Darts on his Etsy page. Awesome deal on it. 110 rounds, and it only cost $8.99. Awesome price. All sorts of different colors. I went with yellow, red stripe, or half and half actually. Alright, and looks like headshot ammo will shoot further. So that's 55. Alright, so 60s max, and that last round came up almost all the way to me. There it is right there. Bounced all the way back up here. This is why I did this type of firing demo. So there we are, Nerf Rival Chaos. Very cool blaster. Only downside is that it's only 5 shots, but I have a remedy for that. We will be getting into that in a later video. You can pick these up between 15 and 25 max. I wouldn't pay more than 20. I paid 16 for this one at Walmart. So yeah, definitely give it a shot. Till next time.